Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can teleport to the fall harvest world in the Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay guys, finally the fall harvest update has been released in Grow a Garden 2. And if you want to teleport to the fall harvest world, you can talk to the explorer Ethan. You're going to go to this area guys, and you're going to go to this NPC, Ethan, and you can talk to him and then just select the fall harvest world and it will automatically bring you to the fall harvest world. Basically this world is same with the normal garden, but wait, let me show you how it looks like. All right, this is the fall harvest world, and here actually for the NPCs, they are still same with the normal garden, but here you'll see new NPC that will give you a quest. Hold on, let me search the NPC because he's moving guys. Okay, this is the new NPC, the pilgrim. And here you need to do the Cornucopia Quest, and each quest will give you reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can teleport to the full harvest world in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!